Customers today do not wait. They reach out across text, email, and social platforms simultaneously, expecting instant, flawless resolution. To handle that massive inbound volume, businesses turn to robotic process automation, basic bots programmed to follow strict if-then rules. But these deterministic systems are incredibly fragile. When a customer asks a question that slightly deviates from the pre-written script, the logic breaks. Instead of fixing the problem, the bot traps the user in a frustrating conversational loop, firing back useless links to generic FAQ pages. The operational fallout lands squarely on your human support team. Highly paid staff end up spending their entire day digging through a backlog of angry tickets, manually solving the exact problems the software was purchased to handle. Relying on basic chatbots to gatekeep your business is a strategic error. It creates a bottleneck that irritates your highest intent leads and creates friction for your brand. Picture a high-value client trying to process a complex product return while simultaneously asking to book a follow-up consultation. That multi-step request requires context to route correctly. Because a rule-based system only understands isolated commands, the logic string snaps under the pressure of a dynamic human interaction. It hits a dead end. The client abandons the chat in frustration. Before your human team even logs into the system to see the transcript, that individual has already signed with a competitor who answered the phone. High inbound volume is a symptom. The actual disease is a rigid execution problem. Your software needs to be able to reason and adapt. This is where OMNIai solves the execution problem. They replace the traditional, static chatbot with a system built on agentic AI. Agentic AI uses advanced large language models to apply natural language understanding and real-time sentiment analysis. It can take a messy, unstructured, typo-filled human request and accurately decipher the underlying intent. Unlike standard wrappers that simply reply with text, intelligent digital workers navigate multiple platforms to execute full workflows. An incoming request is instantly analyzed, qualified, and routed directly into your CRM before cross-referencing availability to book a confirmed meeting in your live calendar. By automating specific operational tasks, OMNIai allows your support infrastructure to capture revenue that would otherwise be lost to friction and slow response times. Integrating artificial intelligence into legacy enterprise systems sounds risky. Most operators avoid it, fearing a massive IT disruption or a data security breach. That is why OMNIai relies on a strict blueprinting process. Before a single line of code is deployed, they map out your exact operational workflows and data architecture to ensure the agent aligns with your existing rules. They also build in configurable approval gates. For high-stakes decisions, sensitive compliance issues, or direct financial transactions, the agent prepares the work but pauses for human sign-off. You always maintain final control. Because of this structured approach, a custom, fully integrated agent goes live in just 7 to 14 days. OMNIai provides a digital workforce that executes tasks 24/7 without the recurring management overhead required by traditional software seats. The transition to autonomous digital employees is already well underway. In competitive sectors, the gap between firms using manual triage and those using agentic automation is widening every quarter. According to Cisco, by 2028, 68% of customer service interactions will be managed entirely by agentic AI. As agentic AI absorbs this workload, operational cost per call takes a massive dive. Simultaneously, because wait times are eliminated, customer satisfaction scores surge upward. Failing to adopt these efficiencies leaves a business operating with the overhead of the previous decade, while the rest of the market scales on a different cost curve. Stop losing leads and alienating your existing clients with rigid, frustrating chatbots. Click the link in the video description below. Book a free 15-minute agent fit call to evaluate your specific operational bottlenecks and discover exactly which workflows are ready for automation. OMNIai will build you a custom customer service agent that moves beyond simple text generation to actively execute your tasks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to @OMNIai UK for more insights on scaling your business with digital employees.